Old Fleetwood paint, there's white, and there's just any old tins, there's a bit of red there. That's gloss. Anything you have. If you have a couple of different colours, you can make a sign. That's the way I see it. You know, it's up to the person what they want to do. Use what you got, and I'm sure it's going to turn out fine, you know. I've got just an old barbecue that we pulled apart we were going to throw away, so I've got some parts, some flat boards here that would make quite nice little signs. Easy to paint, and you could get a nice, if you're labelling your flowers or your plants, or if you wanted to make a statement, and bees welcome here, or butterflies welcome here, or birds welcome here. That's kind of perfect for it there. Detail there, really you would keep it more simple for a sign. I'm just wetting this to show how it sticks, but if this was wood, you know, spray a bit of water, just smooth it out a bit. You got your stencil, wherever you want your lettering, that goes on there. And you got something to follow with a paintbrush then. And that's a simple way of stenciling